Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the iPhone 7 Plus. And iPhone 7 Plus comes with a Apple A10 Fusion chip with a 3 GB of RAM, while the Oppo Reno 3 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio P95 chipset with 8 GB of RAM. And Oppo Reno 3 Pro give you a quad cameras on the back, as you can see, versus a dual cameras with the same 2x optical zoom on the iPhone 7 Plus. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And both phones is running on their latest software version. And look at my first on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And you can see iPhone 7 Plus, it is super fast when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, it is still taking some time. And now it is also done about 4 or 5 second difference there, maybe more, between these two devices. And guys, you can see that Oppo Reno 3 Pro give you a H2H display with the dual cameras on the front inside the display, while the iPhone 7 Plus give you a all aspect ratio. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background and you can see no app is running in the background. Starting off by some system based application, and first we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see that is about the same on both phones, and also very smooth animation on both phones. We have iOS 13.4.1 on the iPhone 7 Plus versus the Android 10 on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. So next on the list is the settings, and you can see that it feels like faster on the iPhone 7 Plus. Now let's see the mic lock, and again seems like faster on the iPhone 7 Plus. Calendar, and you can see that is huge faster on the iPhone 7 Plus. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So now let's launch some more apps. Amazon Shopping, and that is faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, while the iPhone 7 Plus it is still on loading. Instagram, and you can see that feels like a little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. So now let's see the Zedge, and that is faster again on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, but the iPhone 7 Plus it is very slow. And you can see Oppo Reno 3 Pro it is done. It is still taking some time, and now it is also done on the iPhone 7 Plus. The Snapchat faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, followed by the iPhone 7 Plus. So now let's see YouTube on both phones. Boom. And that is faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, as you can see. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. And let's see how much a difference between Apple A10 Fusion chip versus the MediaTek Helio P95. And you can see MediaTek Helio P95 powered Oppo Reno 3 Pro, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the iPhone 7 Plus. So now let's see the Subway Surfer. You can see that is super faster on the iPhone 7 Plus, while the Oppo Reno 3 now it is also done. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2, and that is again faster on the Oppo Reno 3. And you can see, and now the iPhone 7 Plus it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there. The Twitter faster on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, as you can see, followed by the iPhone 7 Plus. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app faster on the iPhone 7 Plus, followed by the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the Safari internet browser on the iPhone 7 Plus. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org. Here we go, and that is faster, about the same on both phones, as you can see. So now let's see the scrolling. In case it feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the apple.com, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Seems like iPhone 7 Plus, it is faster. Let's see. And you can see Oppo Reno 3 Pro at the end, it is faster than the iPhone 7 Plus, and the iPhone 7 Plus, it is still taking some time. And now it is also done on the iPhone 7 Plus. So now let's see the scrolling. In case it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever, but iPhone give you a very slow scrolling speed compared to very fast scrolling speed on the Oppo Reno 3. I like the slow scrolling speed. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and let's see how the iPhone 7 Plus it is performed in this speed test. We have 8 GB of RAM on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus a 3 GB of RAM on the iPhone 7 Plus. First we have phone dialer that got refresh on the Oppo Reno 3. Let's see settings, again refresh on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Mic lock, about the same on both phones, now refresh. Let's see my calendar, refresh again on the Reno 3 Pro. Both phones is on the latest software version. Amazon shopping, refresh on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Instagram, again refresh, and you can see iPhone 7 Plus, it is performed really good in this speed test. Zedge, although iPhone 7 Plus give you a 3 GB of RAM with Apple good optimization. Let's see Snapchat, refresh. YouTube, that is not refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, no refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, no refresh again. Let's see the Temple Run 2, that is also not refresh on both phones. Let's see the Twitter, that is also not refresh on both phones. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, that is also refreshed on the Reno 3 Pro. And guys, you can see that overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely a little bit faster on the iPhone 7 Plus in terms of game app loading time, but in system based application that was exactly the same on both phones. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the iPhone 7 Plus. Many application refresh on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates on the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, because this phone give you a 8 GB of RAM. Apple always give you a very good optimization and good RAM management after 4 or 5 years. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 3 Pro versus the iPhone 7 Plus. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3 Pro, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 3 Pro, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.